Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 40 of Building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series. In this issue, we're starting on the third wheel. There's not much to do, so we'll have a look through the magazine and see what's what. We've got Barbecued Batman, season 2, issue episode 40 from September the 22nd, 1966. Directed by Murray Golden. Special guest villain, the Minstrel. There we go. It's the one where Batman outwits an electronic genius. There we go. Looking at some of these days from the great Batman comics, apparently, from 2018. And then year by year, Batman 74. There we go. Good stuff there. Things happening in 74. Fine. Yep. So car parts. We've got begin to assemble the first rear wheel. All we got to do is put the bits together, which won't take any effort at all. I shall do that momentarily, and it will look just like that. We'll briefly clear the bench and then put that together. So here we have our two parts, which are the plastic and metal parts. The chrome plate obviously goes on there, and it just fits on like that. That's all we're doing this episode. That is the part built. Not really much of a build. It's necessary, but it feels like a waste of an issue. But this wheel is going to take us 3 issues to build, whereas the first wheel, or second wheel even, I think there's only 1 or maybe 2. I don't dread to think how long the fourth wheel is going to take. But for now, that is that. Thank you for watching. Join me tomorrow for more building, or even a couple of days for more Batman building. So I'll see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.